Hey everyone! Today we're making the best vegan omelets. These are easy to make and they are a great savory vegan breakfast option. Today I'm sharing a spinach and mushroom omelet, but you can make any filling you like. These are the ingredients you will need. We're going to start by making our omelet filling with baby spinach and sliced mushrooms. First, mince 2 cloves of garlic and dice half an onion. Add a drizzle of olive oil to a pan and sauté the garlic and onion together. Once the onions are tender and have turned a little transparent, add the sliced mushrooms and sauté until they turn slightly brown. Add the baby spinach and keep cooking until they wilt. Add a generous amount of salt and black pepper to season the veggies. Here I'm using pink Himalayan salt. Our omelet filling is ready. I'm going to turn off the heat and cover it with a lid. Now we're going to make our omelet batter. Add 1 cup of chickpea flour to a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of onion powder, garlic powder, pink salt, black pepper, and turmeric. Combine all of the ingredients using a hand whisk or fork. You can also make the batter using a blender to speed up the process. Turmeric is the ingredient that adds a yellow color to the batter so it looks similar to an egg omelette. If you don't like the turmeric flavor, you can skip it or add only 1/4 of a teaspoon. Add 1 cup of water to the dry ingredients. We're going to add the water little by little so we can get rid of all the lumps. Once we have a smooth batter, it's time to make the omelets. Get a nonstick pan ready. I'm using a measuring cup to pour the batter so the omelets are the same size. You can make them as thin or thick as you prefer. When you're done making the omelets, it's time to fill them with the spinach and mushroom filling. I'm adding a few spoons and closing them with my hands. I am complementing this dish with refried beans, an avocado flour, and of course some homemade spicy tomato and cilantro salsa for that flavor punch. These omelets look amazing and taste so good. The beans and avocado are the perfect side dish and combine perfectly well with the omelet flavors. These are perfect for breakfast, lunch, even dinner. This recipe has become a staple in my house. All my family loves it. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And for more healthy recipes, don't forget to join the Baking Wellness family by subscribing. See you in next week's video.